The most common reason that we're called in is the process already exists and a standard work doesn't exist as of then. So some methods, some approaches that we've taken is, number one, just go out there and take direct observation, right? Go ahead and observe the people actually performing the process. Usually you go ahead and watch it a couple times and ask questions to make sure you have a good understanding of what value is being created, what the process is. And then just going ahead and documenting the steps one at a time, documenting each step, and then going back and taking a traditional time study approach to it to capture more information on it. Another, if the environment allows it, that I find very effective is to go out there, do the same thing, only videotape the process. The beauty of that is you can then go ahead and get the whole team together, and they can talk about the process as you're doing it and document the steps as a group. So you get a direct involvement. I find that to be a very effective way of doing it. There's always challenges when you're implementing standard work. One of the biggest challenges is to go ahead and how much detail is too much detail. If you create too much detail on the standard work as you're doing that, it won't be used, and it becomes a document that becomes dusty on the shelf. So you got to understand how much detail is too much detail and get it as short and as simple and as clear as possible. The general rule is never to lose sight of the objective. The objective is to get everyone to go ahead and do the process the same way, with the objective of reducing process variation, and people's work, the activities, is a number one cause of that variation. So if you've met that mark, which is as few words and as simple as possible, then you've achieved that objective. The other challenge when you create standard work, another pitfall that I've certainly fell into several times, is it's so hard to document a process without jumping in and trying to improve it at the same time. And you really shouldn't do that. You really want to document the process to the best process as you know, the proven process as you know it today. Going ahead and implementing improvements that are not tested and not validated can cause a lot of problems.